Good morning, everybody. How are you today? So, last lesson we began with rocks and three different types of rocks, and we said what are rocks? Okay, what are rocks? And we said rocks are natural solids that includes one or more minerals. Okay, one or more minerals. Then we said we have. Let's remember again. Rock what is a natural non-living solid or solid. Okay, natural solid that include one or more minerals, one or more minerals. Okay, and we said we have three different types of rocks. We have three different types. The first type of rocks we call it igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. The second type we call it what? Sedimentary rock, and the last one metamorphic rock. Okay, and we said igneous rocks are rocks comes from where? Comes from magma. When magma comes to the surface of earth we call it lava. So when lava cools it will make igneous rocks. And cooling here, if we have slow cooling, so it will make big crystals like granite. And if the cooling is fast it will not make like basalt. Okay, then sedimentary rocks, because of, we said, weathering and erosion. And weathering means when rocks are broken down into small pieces. Erosion means the movement of these pieces into new area because of wind, because of water. Okay, then after a period of time, when we are talking about earth we are talking about hundreds, thousands and millions years. Okay, because of pressure they'll cement together to make this type of rocks. We call it sedimentary rock, and this type of rock includes what? Fossils. Okay, metamorphic rocks comes from where? Means, we said, comes from Latin word or root, means to change the form. So igneous and sedimentary can give metamorphic rock because of heat and high pressure. Okay, now we have to finish or to know about the life cycle or rock cycle, not life cycle, rock cycle. But before the rock cycle you have to differentiate between rock and mineral. Okay, how we can differentiate between rock and mineral? We said minerals what? Non-living solid. Non-living solid that has what? Has crystal form. Crystal form. Okay, so what about rocks? Okay, non-living we call solids, but some rocks includes fossils, means the remains of living things. So they include the remains of living things, and here they doesn't include. Okay, and here they are crystals, and here not all of them crystals. Okay, means a crystal form. Okay, so we know we have three different types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Igneous comes from deep earth. Okay, and sedimentary from sediments, then metamorphic from high heat and high pressure. So metamorphic where? Beside the surface of earth or deep? Absolutely deep. Why? Because they need high temperature and high pressure, and this we cannot find it beside the surface of earth. We can find it down, deep in earth. Okay, so we arrived to the rock cycle. Rock cycle. What is a rock cycle? Means we have, or let's write it like this, like this. Rock cycle. Rock cycle. We have three different types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And I said the change, or the type of rock can be changed from one to another. Listen up. We said metamorphic because of high heat and high pressure. So if we have igneous and this we applied high heat and high pressure applied on igneous, it will change into metamorphic rock. Okay, then sedimentary, the same, high heat and high temperature, high heat and high pressure, and high pressure. Okay, easy. Now, can we change igneous into sedimentary? Yes, we can. By what? We said before, to change by weathering. Weathering means if you have rock and this rock is broken into small pieces, then what? Erosion. Then erosion means when these pieces move to a new area because of wind and water. Okay, then what? Cementation. Cementation means when these pieces stick together to make one rock. So we can change igneous into sedimentary, or by following series stages or series processes: weathering, erosion, and cementation. Okay, now can we change metamorphic into igneous? Then the opposite, metamorphic to igneous, or sedimentary or metamorphic to sedimentary. Yes, absolutely we can. Metamorphic to igneous by, if you have metamorphic rock and this rock has been melted, then it goes with lava and cooling, it will make igneous rock. So metamorphic can change into igneous by melting and cooling. Okay, metamorphic into sedimentary, the same. Sedimentary, we have the same series steps, or processes: weathering, erosion, and cementation. Weathering, erosion, and cementation. So this is the rock cycle. So means rock cycle that the form or the type of rock can change from one form to another by following series or one or more than one steps or processes. Okay, so till here you have to know the what is rock. So this is your homework. Question number 1: what is rock? Means define rock. Number 2: name the types of rocks. I means 3 different types of rocks. Okay, so this is your homework and you'll solve it, then you'll upload it. Number 3: compare between rock and mineral. Number 4, draw the rock cycle. Number 5, and this is the last question, name. Okay, or here you can add this to the question number 2. Name the types of rocks with examples about each type. Okay, so this is your homework. What is rock? What? Name the types of rocks with examples about each type. Compare between rock and mineral. Draw the rock cycle. Okay, have a nice day and see you next video inshallah.